Bonjour monsieur. Alors je vais vous prendre un steak avec des frites et de la ratatouille s'il vous plaît. Je vais vous prendre comme boisson de l'eau. Un verre d'eau, ça suffira. Et un verre de vin s'il vous plaît, du vin rouge. Merci beaucoup. Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everyone! So today we're gonna see the article that we use for ordering at the restaurant, cooking, eating, drinking, etc. Est-ce que vous aimez manger? Do you like to eat? For my part, I really like to eat. I'm eating a lot. If you like me or not, please comment below. In French, I'm gonna check your answer. What I always want to eat is pizza. I love pizza. What is your favorite taste? For my part, maybe the cheese one, of course, I'm French. Pizza is a feminine word in French. So if I want to say that I want to eat one pizza, the entire pizza, I'm gonna say je veux manger une pizza. I want to eat a pizza. But let's imagine that you're really hungry or the pizza is really small, so you have to order two pizzas. How do you say that in French? Two is deux. So I'm going to use that deux as article. Je prends deux pizzas. I ordered two pizzas. In French, we have two verbs for ordering something. The first one is je prends. I take something at the restaurant. And the second one that we can use is je commande. Literally, I order. Don't forget to put a S for the plural. Let's see this one. What does it mean? J'ai mangé de la pizza. Any idea? De la is an article used when we cannot count. This is uncountable. Or I don't want to count, maybe. So I might eat one slice, two slices, une part, deux parts, or maybe a little bit, a lot, un peu, beaucoup. I don't know, or I don't want to specify the quantity. In that case, for a feminine noun, I'm gonna use de la. Okay, next question for you. Combien de macarons pouvez-vous manger? How many macarons can you eat? So I'm talking about macaron, not Macron. Macron is the French president. Please, don't eat the French president. Macaron is really good. It's really sweet, but really good. I think I can eat 10 macarons, especially the chocolate one. Really love it. Je peux manger 10 macarons. This is a number that I'm gonna use as article. Don't forget to put the S for the plural. So what about you? How many macarons can you eat? Write your answer in French in the comments. Okay, our next example is this one. Les Français mangent des frites. French people eat French fries, by the way. Do you know that French fries is not French? It's from Belgium. They have great food, great chocolate, great French fries, and good beer. In that sentence, why I'm using des? Des is the plural. When I have a lot of something, a lot of French fries, in that case, I use des. If I was able to count how many French fries I eat, for example, today I got 3 French fries, ooh, a lot. I could say, I eat 3 French fries. Je mange 3 frites. Or in that case, je mange une frite. Frite is a feminine word, that's why I'm using une and not un. I eat 1 French fries. So what would it mean if I say de la frite? Is that possible? Can I say that? De la frite would mean a part, just a bite maybe, of 1 French fries. But you get the image, right? Des frites, a lot of. Une frite, 1. De la frite, just a part, a bite of that French fries. I really hope you're not in diet right now because I'm talking a lot about food today. I have that friend, he's always doing diet, so it's really difficult to go to the restaurant with him. In that case, that sentence in French will be Mon ami ne mange pas de frites. My friend doesn't eat French fries. Ne pas is for the negation. In that kind of sentence, we don't use the quantity. So, it's not possible to use une frite, de la frite, des frites, de that we use for a negation sentence mean nothing, zero, nada, rien. De for two and de for the negation have the same pronunciation. Crazy French, but don't worry. We're gonna understand if you use a negative sentence, je ne mange pas de frites, that de means zero, you don't eat. And in an affirmative sentence, je mange deux frites, that you eat two French fries. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose que vous ne mangez pas? I want to know if there is something you cannot eat. So your answer gonna be je ne mange pas de and just pick the food you don't eat. I'm gonna check your answer. I'm living in Japan since a few years and there is that food you can see on the video. It's called natto. Natto is fermented soybean which have a really cheesy taste but a very weird texture. I cannot eat natto. So in French, it's gonna be je ne peux pas manger de natto. The sentence is a negation, right? So again, I'm gonna use de. What's gonna be my sentence if I wanna say many Japanese people eat natto in the morning? Natto is a masculine word because it comes from Japanese language. When there is a word from Japanese language, we use it as masculine in French. It's gonna be beaucoup de Japonais mangent du natto le matin. Many Japanese eat natto in the morning. In this example, why I'm using du and not de? It's because we saw natto as one plate, one food. Of course, if I want to say some soybean, des graines de soja. But the name of the plate, the name of that cuisine is natto. And natto is singular, masculine, du natto. Here is another example. This is the first thing I do in the morning, drinking water, not eating natto. A glass of water is something uncountable because when you drink a glass of water, you mostly don't know how many centiliters you're drinking, right? So in that case, I'm gonna use, again, uncountable article. Water is feminine, so which one I'm using? De la, right? Good job. But we have a problem. De la plus a word we begin with a boil or a H is not possible in French. So it's gonna be je bois de l'eau. Let's see with the negation sentence. Je ne bois pas d'eau. De for the negation cannot be followed by a word beginning with a vowel or a H. And in that case, I just delete the E, put an apostrophe, and it's become d'eau. Okay, last question for you guys. Qu'est-ce que vous avez mangé ce matin? What did you eat this morning? Me, I got a very French breakfast. J'ai mangé un croissant, un œuf, des fruits et du chocolat. What about you? Please answer below in French. Okay, let's resume everything before making some exercise. First, we have countable article. Un with the masculine noun, une with feminine, and then deux, trois, quatre for plural. We have uncountable article. I cannot count how many pizza I ate, how many slices of pizza I ate, how many water I drink, etc. They are also used for plate, cuisine, or type of food. For example, du natto. Du is used with masculine words. De la with feminine words. De l L apostrophe with boil or H. Then we have the plural. They also uncountable, just mean a lot of. Plural doesn't have feminine or masculine. And the last one is the negation. When we have negation sentence, I don't eat, I don't drink, we use the article de or the apostrophe in front of boil or H. Okay, let's try some exercise together. Let's practice. Our first example is this one. I drink 2 coffee a day. Je bois café par jour. Which article should I use? You have 5 seconds. Two in French is deux, so it's gonna be je bois 2 cafés par jour. Okay, our next example is a negation sentence. I don't drink coffee. How it's gonna be in French? You have 5 seconds. When we have a negation sentence, we use the article de. Je ne bois pas de café. I hope you're doing well. Our next example is a little bit more difficult. I ordered meat. Meat is a feminine word in French. Which article are you gonna use? We're gonna use the article feminine uncountable de la. Here we're not talking about one steak, a steak, but we're talking about an uncountable amount of meat. It could be 500 grams, 200 grams, I don't know. As I don't specify the quantity, I use de la. J'ai commandé de la viande. Next please, I baked a cake. Gâteau, cake, is a masculine noun in French. So which article I'm gonna use? I want to say that I baked a cake, one cake, right? We don't bake just one part of a cake. So I'm gonna use the article one. J'ai fait un gâteau. 4 more examples and then you're done. Courage! I'm a vegetarian. I do not eat meat. In French, gonna be je suis végétarienne, je ne mange pas viande. Here again we have negation sentence, so I'm gonna use the article de. Je suis végétarienne, je ne mange pas de viande. Our next example can be used at the restaurant. We have some pasta, please? Je vais prendre pâtes, s'il vous plaît. Je vais prendre des pâtes, s'il vous plaît. Here, I'm using des, as when we order pasta, we don't have just one pasta, but we have a lot of pasta. We use the same article, des, as for French fries, des frites. Our next example is a bit difficult, so let's keep focus. I bought a whole chicken, an entire chicken, and ate chicken for 3 days. J'ai acheté would be I bought. Poulet entier, whole chicken, and ate, et j'ai mangé, poulet, chicken, pendant 3 jours, for 3 days. Chicken is a masculine word in French, so which article I'm gonna use? J'ai acheté un poulet entier et j'ai mangé du poulet pendant 3 jours. I bought a whole chicken means one chicken, right? So in French it's gonna be un poulet entier. Then we have j'ai mangé du poulet pendant 3 jours. Here, as I don't mention the exact quantity that I ate, it could be half of that chicken, maybe more, maybe less. So I'm using the uncountable article masculine du. This is our last question. Add avocado to your salad. In the left, I want to say that you have to add just some avocado. I don't know how much, just some pieces. And on the right, I want to say that you have to add the whole avocado, one avocado. One tips for you, avocado is a masculine word. But be careful, it starts with an A. Can you guess which article I'm gonna use? The masculine article that we use for uncountable is du, but in that case, because avocat starts with a A, I'm using de l. Ajoute de l'avocat dans ta salade. On the right, I want to specify the quantity, so I'm using un, as I want 1 avocado in my salad. Ajoute un avocat dans ta salade. Good job, bravo! Thank you so much for watching that video. If you have any question, please comment below. And if you want more example, especially to understand what's the difference between du, de la, and des, I can make another video or give you other example. À bientôt!